my name is Chuck, and we are at Thermal Research and Development today, and we're getting ready to do the install of the 3-inch Catback exhaust system for the new Ford Maverick 2025. And this vehicle happens to be the Maverick Lobo. The first part we're going to install is the 3-inch adapter pipe directly to the catalytic converter, aligning the alignment notch with the alignment button. We're going to put the 2.5-inch clamp over this adapter with the hardware inbound and the nut facing down. We can then slide it directly over the pipe and tighten it at this time. Now this clamp we can tighten up completely at this time because there's no adjustability in it. We use a 15mm socket. The next section we're going to install is the midpipe. With the long straight torso section will be forward towards the motor. We're going to go to the back of the adapter pipe we just installed. We're going to put a witness mark on it that'll help us with the clamp alignment. We're going to come up 1 3/4 inches from the end. Put a mark right there. The next part we're going to install is this 3-inch double compression clamp. We're going to have the hardware inbound with the nuts facing down, and we're going to slide it over that adapter. Then going to put the midsection up in place, slide the clamp back until we get to that witness mark we installed. I'm going to push the pipe all the way forward so they're touching inside. Move the clamp horizontal. I'm going to just snug it up at this time, knowing we have to come back and do a final adjustment on it. The next part we're going to install is the center muffler. We're going to start out by putting another witness mark, again at 1 3/4 inches, on the back of the midpipe that we just installed. I'm going to slide another 3-inch double compression clamp over this pipe. The hardware towards the driver's side and nuts down. We're going to install the hanger probes into the factory rubber hangers, both front and back of the muffler. Support the muffler, and we're going to bring that clamp back so we see that witness mark. We push the muffler all the way forward so it's touching internally. We're going to look up at these hangers, and we really want them parallel with the ground, not angling down or angling up. Which means this muffler is going to get all the way up to about 1 inch from the floorboard. And then come back and tighten up that compression clamp. Going to over tighten it because we still may need to an adjustment on it. But as we're lining these up, we want them parallel with each other, and if they're not, we're going to come back and loosen up this clamp we put on just before that so we can rotate the midpipe for proper alignment. Last part to install is the tailpipe. Today we happen to be putting on the dual tip black ceramic coated tailpipe, but Thermal offers 5 different options as far as the tip design. We're going to One last time, put our wickedness mark at 1 3/4. We'll double compression clamp over this pipe, hardware facing towards the differential and nuts down. Put the tailpipe up in the hanger. Bring that clamp in place. Support the tips. We're going to check our tips for proper gap, right about 1 inch in parallel height on both tips. We'll snug this clamp up. We're going to come back and check these tips and adjust as needed. Now we got the system adjusted and aligned in the position we want it to be in. I'm going to start at the front of the vehicle and retighten all the clamps all the way back, removing our supports as we go. So that'll wrap up the install of the 2025 Ford Maverick here at Thermal Research and Development.